Experiencing trouble finding your Rogers 5G Wi-Fi network on your devices? You're not alone. Many Rogers customers with Ignite gateway routers, like the XB7, XB8, and XB9 models, face this issue. The primary culprits are often band steering and SSID split features, which are designed to optimize your Wi-Fi, but can sometimes cause the 5G network to disappear. Band steering automatically directs your devices to the optimal Wi-Fi band, either 2.4 GHz for longer range or 5 GHz for faster speeds, but misconfigurations can prevent devices from detecting the 5G signal. SSID split refers to broadcasting a single network name across multiple bands. Issues arise when the 5G portion vanishes, leading to connectivity problems. Rogers has been addressing this through firmware updates, but manual fixes are still frequently required. To troubleshoot your Rogers 5G Wi-Fi issue, start by accessing your router's admin panel. Open your web browser and type 192.168.0.1 into the address bar. Log in using your router's credentials, which you can find on the sticker at the bottom of the router if you don't remember them. Once logged in, navigate to the Wireless or Advanced Settings section. Look for options labeled Band Steering or Smart Steering. Temporarily disable this feature. If your 5G network becomes visible after disabling it, the issue is related to band steering prioritizing other bands. Next, check your SSID settings. Make sure your network is set to broadcast on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands without creating separate network names. If you see entries like Rogers 2.4G and Rogers 5G, enable Smart Connect or a similar unification option to combine them into one network. If you're in a high interference area, such as an apartment building, try setting your channel width to 40 MHz. This can help reduce conflicts with neighboring networks. While these steps provide a quick solution, Rogers is developing AI-driven fixes for future firmware updates to address these issues automatically.